Hello friends, I am a player of Subway Surfer game. I love it very much. So, let's start this game. This is very interesting. I click on the events, then showdown, playing. I started. After that, that is my name, Rupkatha Roy. Let's start. It's loading. I started. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, that's very interesting and very beautiful game also. Uh, I choose box. After that, I attain in the special character. After that, I unbox the special box. Oh my god, it's not very difficult also, uh, and not very easy also. This is really literally very interesting. And after that, it's going on nicely, but I am in the fourth position, so I am playing very nicely. Now I am in the second position. This boy is playing too much. Good player he is. After that, I'll hit that boy, but I can't do. This is the spider time. After that, I choose and I will this first position, but what happened I don't know this time. After that, the boy came. Now this is the finishing point and I got the second position of this event. That's okay, but I am a little sad. Oh my god, this time the disgusting ad game. It's literally very bad. I don't like it, but okay, I am in the second position. So follow me, subscribe me, like, share and comment me for more informations. I can start the new race because I have no more tickets also, but I own that silver, gold and platinum